Hi, welcome to Excel in Life.
Hello and welcome to our masterclass. I am Rinal Chakraborty, your guide to the journey of Microsoft Word. This is our fourth episode of Word tutorial, and today onwards we'll start the Insert tab. At the end of this video, there is a question answer session which you like the most. Comment me if you guessed all the answer correctly. Do you know? First version of Microsoft Word was released in October 1983 for Xenix operating system. Insert tab is the second tab in the ribbon. It is used to insert or add extra feature in your document. First group of command is pages group. First command we will see cover page. There are various templates available. You can select any of them. This is used to make cover page for books or any report. Enter necessary details and your cover page is ready. You can also change the template and data will be adjusted accordingly. You can also change the font format of any data here. There are a lot of other templates available from office.com that you can check. Next is blank page. This is to insert a blank page as per your requirement. In our first episode, we have seen how to use the rand function to write some random paragraph. Random function takes two arguments. First is paragraph and another line in each paragraph. When you are writing 10,5, it means this function will generate 10 paragraphs with 5 lines in each para. Same way we can generate further paragraphs. On clicking page break in a particular location, page will end there and all the balance text will move to the next page. Place the cursor anywhere in the paragraph, then click page break or press shortcut key Ctrl Enter to insert a page break. With this, we completed pages group. Now let us see tables. Two ways you can insert a table in the Word. First by clicking drop down and selecting row and column with mouse. With this option, you can draw a maximum table of 10 columns and 8 rows. Minimum table you can insert with 1 column and 1 row. Second option is to click Insert Table. This option opens dialog box where you can set number of column and row you want in the table. Here you will get auto-fit behavior which is related to column width. In fixed column width option, if you keep the width as auto, which is default option, then width of column will be equally divided based on the window width. You can mention a column width as per your requirement. In auto-width content, column width will be adjusted as per the text written inside. Auto-width window is same as option 1 with auto-width, that is column gets divided by the available window. If you check in remember dimension for new table, the next time when you open this dialog, it will show similar column and row number. You can design your table by drawing the cell, row and column border. You can even draw diagonal line or cells within cells. Note down that mouse icon converts to pencil This gives you freedom of drawing complicated table. You might have noticed whenever we are inserting or drawing a table, Design and Layout tab opens. Let us start with Design tab. You can change the table style by selecting various predefined styles. From the Table Time Options group, you can display or hide various options like header row, first column, total row, last column, banded rows, banded columns. Using shading drop-down, you can change color of any cell or entire table. Using border styles, you can select various theme border. Select any line of your choice by clicking. You can notice that mouse icon converted to brush. Click any border to change as per your selected line. Last command in border styles group is border sampler. This is eyedropper for table borders. It copies the existing format of any border and apply it to another area. Select any existing border to copy. Notice that the mouse icon got changed. Then select the new border where you want to apply this border style. You have the option to change the border line styles, its thickness or line color from this drop down. You can apply borders using this drop down. It is the same border option like Excel. You can add a horizontal line. Draw table is same as we have seen earlier. View grid lines shows or hides grid line of a table. Border and shading opens a dialog box, wherefrom you can select various options like border styles, width, color, etc. You can also change the shading color. Border painter applies specific formatting to a table border. What is the maximum size of font you can write in a document? 72, 256, 1638 or 1683? It's 1638. You need to press enter key at end of every word, paragraph, line or sentence. At every paragraph. Shortcut for new page is Ctrl N, Ctrl P, Enter or Ctrl Enter. It's Ctrl Enter. Minimum number of rows and columns that a word table can have: 0, 1 row 1 column, 1 row 3 columns or 1 row 2 columns. It's 1 row 1 column. If you not yet watched previous episode, then please watch the same by clicking the I button. Also, link has been given in the description. I put a lot of effort to make this video for you so that you can learn Word, Excel free of cost. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.